Hi, I'm Alejandra, and if there's clutter around your home that makes you cringe every time you walk by it and you've been dragging your feet to get it under control, I have something you might be interested in. So on August 24th, I'm hosting a free one-day clutter clearing challenge. It's an interactive workshop hosted on Zoom where I'm going to help you turn your most chaotically cluttered room into a calm and inviting space that you can feel proud of, even if you feel overwhelmed, and without taking hours to declutter just to have the space cluttered again a week later. So if this is something you think you might be interested in, you can get the details and register for the Clutter Clearing Challenge. There's a link above the video, below the video, somewhere near the video. Now, the Clutter Clearing Challenge may make sense for you to attend if you have at least one room in your house where you're constantly tripping over clutter, or you feel like you can never find what you're looking for, or there's a room that you pray your guests don't go into, like a closet or a cabinet, or maybe you keep putting off the project because it feels so overwhelming. It may make a lot of sense if the clutter is adding chaos to your life and robbing you from being able to fully relax and unwind after stressful days. So however the clutter is consuming your space and getting in the way of your peace of mind, I'd love to help you take control of it inside of my free one-day clutter clearing challenge. You can register above, below, somewhere on this video, and I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.